Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I just wanted to make a little video, a little tribute to Sushi for making this Almont Rekey so beautiful. He sent me all of the tools needed to gut and rekey, as well as he sent me a bunch of blanks and some pre-scored blanks as well. So I've got blanks to make rekeys and I've got blanks to make new gutting keys, because when you gut this you gotta have this little notch in the operating key, or sorry, this little notch in the gutting key. The bitting will be the same as on the operating key as on the gutting key. You'll just cut that notch into it, so that way it allows the core, the operating key only allows the core to turn so far to open. The gutting key will allow this notch to go all the way to 12 o'clock, and then we'll put our gutting wire in to hold all those top pins in while we pull the core out, and we'll repin it. So Sushi, thank you for all the goodies. I'm making this video as a tutorial for Phantom. So Phantom, I hope you're watching, and I hope you learned something from this. I hope I can teach you something. And I hope I don't mess things up. So let's see here, what do we gotta do? All right, so this is one operating key. This is another operating key. We're gonna pretend that one of the operating keys got misplaced. And now this lock is compromised because someone has one of the keys. So we're going to get rid of this key. We're going to pull off a new key, factory key. And it doesn't have any fours, does it? Doesn't matter, 4 pins, okay. I'm going to get a new factory key here. This will be the new key, as you can see. It does not work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our gutting key. We're going to insert that. We're going to turn it to 12 o'clock. So watch that shackle doesn't want to fall out, because it will, and then you'll lose the ball bearings. So that's at 12 o'clock. We're going to take our wire here and we're going to put it in, up and over. It'll rest right in there like that. And okay, good. I don't want those ball bearings to fall out. Okay, so now we hold on to this while we pull the core out without dropping. Yeah, those are our key pins there. Okay. I'm gonna set this down carefully, actually. You don't really want to lose too much there. Okay. If we gotta fix the ball bearings and the shackle, I will. Okay, now I wonder, now what I'm worried about, because I haven't done this yet, now what I'm worried about is hold on a second here. Now if I put, now what I'm worried about is when I rekey it and I put the new pins back in, will I still be able to turn it over? Let's see, we're gonna find out, I guess. Alrighty, so we're gonna 1, 2, just in case, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got a core holder here. We'll repin this up to 35756. Those don't even look like the same size. see here. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 5, 6. 3.240. .270. .255. Why does that not match up? They all match up except for the last one there, so that can't be right. The last one's supposed to be a 6, which is .255, which is here. Okay, it looks okay to me. Now what I'm hoping is that I'll be able to slide this. Actually, you know what, I gotta wait. Make sure the ball bearings haven't fallen. Yep, this guy came out. So, I think, yeah. The trick is gotta get that ball bearing back in its home like that. And we gotta stick this motherfucker in here like this. Yeah, it's not gonna let me. That's what I was worried about. It's not gonna let me. Because so yeah, I might not be able to do it like that. So I might have to pull the key out. And then how am I gonna turn the core over though? It might not work. All right. We'll say we'll take this guy. And we'll say we'll take this guy out. Right. Take that out. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so let's just see if that worked now. I might not be able to get it with a gutting key, but the Rekey should be fine. Yeah. Okay, so the Rekey is fine. So Rekey is fine. The gutting tool shouldn't work anymore because it's different bitting. Yeah, okay. And then as well as the old keys will not work. Okay, old keys don't work. Gonna have to make a new gutting key. New key does work. Perfect. So now, to make a gutting key for this key, what you need to do is keep those together since those already have a couple of operating keys and a gutting key. Okay. And the other one. Oh, geez. There we go. So we'll keep those, actually we'll keep those together with the gutting stuff for the Almont. that. Those can stick together like that. We'll put them over here. Now, okay, move these. So now, you'd have to take one of these pre-scored keys that Sushi kindly made up for me. And what you do is you would get this bitting cut onto this key, and then you'd be good to go with your gut key. But for now, we have it rekeyed and we have an operating key, and I just wanted to show off my my goods that Sushi hooked me up with, and I also just wanted to make this little instructional video for my good friend Phantom. Alright, that is all I've got for you guys today. Until next time, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I will catch you later. Ciao.